What's going on, animals? Animal here for you. So I got a new reaction today. The band is called HolyName. The song is called Ritual. I have watched their songs, their videos in the past. They came out with some stuff, I don't know, maybe a year ago. A little bit different style. The lead singer of this used to be the lead singer for Sleeping Giant. What's really cool is they had Brooke Reeves from Impending Doom on their last song. They had Brian had Welch doing some guitar on one of their last songs in the videos. So I'm excited to see what this is all about. Let's go eat!
Kneeling at the cross, I'm healing from the knowledge of all that I believe. Your body and your blood, I take it at the altar of God. God, please, I want to be
That's heavy. That's nice.
Cause I believe the one who's unseen. The prophets you sent me, prophet, priest, God and King, love enthroned, love is coming back. Swept through the clouds.
It's a nice transition right there. I like that. Oh, yeah! All right. So, if you go back and watch some of their older stuff, the stuff I was talking about a year ago, to me, it's different than this. I liked this style way better than the last one. So, the songs that they came out with before, the drummer was just going like ape nuts on everything. Like it was tons of fills. And I just, me personally, even though I'm a drummer, I appreciate the fills, but I like to have just a driving, let's have something we can bob our head to. And the guitar notes on the older songs seemed like they were always like, they just stayed right there. Like there wasn't a whole lot of fluctuation. And so I'm really liking this version of this group much better than what I've seen before. So I'm going to back it up a little bit because who doesn't love some double kick? That was a nice little fill right there. Yeah. Are they gonna break down?
Upon the flesh of our King.
Maybe?
Drink the blood of our God. Marriage of divinity and mankind.
I feel like they're setting us
Méga
up.
mystérion.
Come on, man.
Come feast upon the flesh
Okay.
of our King.
We'll go through it again.
And drink the blood of
I hope this just melts my face right now because I'm waiting for this thing. Just like,
marriage of divinity
okay.
and mankind. So méga mystérion.
Right now?
Feast upon the flesh of our King. Drink the blood of this God. Marriage of divinity
that. Yes. Yeah. Oh, it's not done? Oh. Okay.
Got
That was Holy Name Ritual. Not bad at all, actually. Like I said, I like that one because it had more of a driving beat. It had more of a constant rhythm to it versus just tom fills after tom fills. I was really hoping that breakdown. I was like that breakdown went through twice, and I'm like, or the setup, and I was like, oh, it's gonna smash my face right now. Just come on, punch me. And then it came in, but not as it didn't come in as hard as I wanted. I was hoping for like just a bam, halftime, whatever. But honestly, I should have known that's not really their style. That would have been the old band Sleeping Giant, but that was a good song. I like it. So, anyways, thanks for hanging out with me today. Please, 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 if you could please subscribe, hit all the bells and the whistles. If you could tell everybody, tell the birds, tell the dogs, tell the kitty cats to subscribe, notify your friends. I appreciate it. This is Animal.